Good morning, guys. Fucking another video. Today I gotta reconnect some lights on my GC8 for the sea lights. I did the custom retrofit. I fucking electric taped the connections, and now that it's raining, it's shorting out and shit, so I gotta fix that right now. And wrap the rear bumper finally. I know I gotta do a build breakdown of this GC8 because I haven't put any content out right now. Just because I built it before I started vlogging, so we'll do a little bit right now. You see what I got under the hood. Nothing crazy. But it's a good daily, good amount of power. Check it out. Bone stock. Yeah, just an 04 WRX EJ205 stage 2. I got just a cob intake, got some CX Racing coilovers, CNT downpipe, I got the I-wire, got the radiator shroud adapter and their splitter. Fucking great quality, man. What else? Look at that tight space, man. I don't even know if I could fit an aluminum radiator in there. I upgraded to the what was it, a Turbo Legacy master cylinder, because it bolt right up to the same brake lines, so I don't have to make my own lines. And I got a single stage brake booster. So there's a little bit less assist, which I like it. It feels a little better, not so squishy, you know. It made the pedal feel so good with the 4 pots. And some good ass, I believe it was Super Blue brake fluid. And man, the brakes are amazing, man. I don't even need Brembos. Like at the track, these have not gave me any brake fade. So if you guys want to upgrade, you know, that's a good cheap alternative, you know. You don't need some crazy Brembos to track. And yeah, just oh, this is the JDM version 7 intercooler, so it's bigger than the USDM one. It's bone stock, like the heads and the short blocks, bone stocks. It's fucking fun, that's for sure, especially for a daily. But yeah, move on to the headlights now. I custom made these. I think I only seen one person with them. It was some red GC, and it looked fucking dope. So I was like, there was no info on anything, so I just fucking did it. I just winged it, and it came out pretty good. It's the, I believe, just like a VA, the 15 plus sea light. Yeah, they fit really good. It's a little hazy, but I painted it black. And then I put the mini H1 projectors, and damn, the lighting is like way better. Like every GC guy has to do this, just because the lighting on those stock headlights suck. It didn't take too long, honestly. I wish I would have filmed it. It was hella cheap. Bought every part on like Black Friday, and I built these headlights and did it all myself for like maybe like $220. Like nothing crazy, man. Like, because I know they're selling these already custom made and everything for like $400, $450. I was like, fuck that. Check out my shitty wiring. No wonder it's fucking shorting out. Just put one of those butt connectors and retape this a little better. Should be good. Damn, I really suck at wiring. I don't know how I let myself do that shit. All right, that's better. Now let's tape this up and do the other side. Look at this horrible wrap job. Damn, I should have took the bumper off. Cool, all done. Well, let me flip this bitch over and start wrapping the rear bumper. I don't have enough vinyl, but I'm just gonna go piece by piece because I have hella leftover vinyl, but just not a big ass piece to do it all in one. I'm just doing pieces because I just want to wrap it already. I'm tired of it having just a silver bumper. I have so much leftover vinyl, it's not even funny. And it's just all pieces. But I'm gonna see if I could do the center piece in one, and then I could wrap it around it and then do this bottom lip in one piece. Hopefully it'll come out good. Gotta do the inside in one piece just because this curve is kind of crazy. I don't want it to lift on me. Damn, I have to take off this sticker. I hella like this. If you guys know about Adventure Time. Unacceptable! Cool. I just got all this done. Wasn't too bad. I gotta do the rest. Yo, check it out. I'm almost done with half of it. It's not looking too bad.
Damn, that took forever.
But check it out. Got it wrapped finally. Damn, I was rocking a silver bumper for hella long. It's a bunch of imperfections, but hey, fuck it. Well, I think that's it for today, man. Shit. I'm glad it didn't rain. I'm gonna wrap the 240 next. So stay tuned for that one. It's gonna be dope. Damn, I gotta do a photo shoot with this shit. I gotta get a fucking side skirt. And I gotta still paint this side teal like this. That shit's hella dirty. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Deuces.